Hi everyone, welcome to Ram the AI Warrior YouTube channel. Today I will deep dive into Streamlit fundamentals. Those are data display functions and input widget functions. So in my previous video I have covered text functions, title, header, subheader, and along with these text functions I have shown you that how to create a virtual environment in Visual Studio. So in this video I will cover data display functions. Those are data frame, table, metric, JSON, followed by input widget functions. These 9 functions. Okay, let's open Visual Studio. So guys, this is my Visual Studio. In my previous video I have covered text functions, right? So these are the text functions. So I'll upload this GitHub link as well in YouTube. Okay, so here you have to import pandas and Streamlit. Pandas to just to read data, like we have a different data display elements, right? In the data frame is there. So if you want to read any CSV file or whatever you want, whatever we have this pandas here. Okay, so I have created just one data. So I will convert this data into a data frame. So df equals to p dot, sorry, data frame, and you have to give the data here. Okay, so what we will do is we will see this data frame in front end, st dot data frame df. Okay, let's save this and let's see how it looks like. See here, so this is our data set. This is the name, age, underscore. It's a simple one. So here it is a dynamic, right? Just it will change this order as well. If you click like this, it will change this order. Okay, now we will look into one more data display function, that is st dot table. Here just pass this df here and let's save and see it in the front end. See, this is a static one, so it will not, you cannot change this like data frame. So it's a static one. Okay, that is all about data frame and table. Now important one is metric. So st dot metric. So here we have a different parameters. See here, label, value, delta cover. So we will use all those things here. So label means, for example, if you are calculating the population or a stock value, so you have to give that name. Okay, so I am giving you revenue, something like that. Okay, next one is value. So value like stocks means today's stock value is 300 400, right? So in that way you have to give the present value. For example, I am giving you 900 and delta equals to, I am giving 20. I'll tell you in front end. And the delta color equals to, I'll give normal. So here you have 3: normal, inverse, and off. So I'm giving normal here. Okay, let's save this and we will see it in the front end. See here, label means revenue, value means 900, and delta means this is given, we have given 20, right? So this is that is the value actually. It is the profit or a loss or a difference, you can show. Yeah. Okay, and you can give here inverse as well instead of normal, and give minus here. Save this and see it in front end. See, it is inverse and it is minus 20, right? So that's why it is the arrow is downwards. See now, normal and minus 20. So that's why it is showing us downwards. Let's see one more function, that is JSON. So you can print the data in JSON format using this JSON function. So just I'll give some values here. They given one set of data. So we will see it. So it will show this data in a JSON format. Okay. So these are the four display functions. One is data frame, second one is table, third one is metric, and fourth one is the JSON. So if you want to display any data using the Streamlit, you can use these four functions and you can display your data here. Okay. So we have covered data display functions. Now we will see input widget functions, and we will see different functions as well, like chart functions and everything. So once we completed all those functions, we will create one capstone project, like one complete project. Okay. So as of now, I'm giving one title, Jets demo. Okay. Now we'll start with the button here. So assign this to some variable btn equals to btn st dot value. Just I'm looking for just uh, for demo. See here, click here. Once you click on this button, you can get like this. Okay, so you have two more types of buttons as well. So I will show you. So primary is to st dot button. See here we have different parameters, right? So in this first one is a label. Here you have to give primary. So you have two types of buttons here, that is primary and secondary. So after that you have type as well. So in this type, see here we have primary and secondary, both both buttons functionality is same. But if you want to use in your application, just choose whatever you want. Okay. st dot button. Let's save this and we'll see it in the front end. See here, primary. So if you click on this, you will get this primary button like that. Just we return this text. Okay. If you want, you can write. Otherwise, you no need. Second one is same. We have one more button, that is secondary. Assign that to the secondary. Change the secondary here. Instead of primary, give secondary. Type also secondary. Save this and we'll see it in the front end. See here, secondary. So in this way, we have three types of buttons. So based on your requirement, choose buttons. Okay. So next one is checkbox. We have another function in input widgets, that is checkbox. So st dot checkbox. You can give here I agree. So or you can give remember me, I agree. So whatever you want based, you can give here. Okay. See here, I agree. So you can print I agree like this checkbox in this way. Next we have radio, st dot radio, choose an option 1, option 2, 3. So here we have one function actually, that is one parameter, that is horizontal. See horizontal. If you default it is vertical. If you want to give it if you want it to be in horizontal, you can pass that parameter here. Horizontal equals to true. Otherwise, default it will print in vertical. See here. Choose an option 1, option 2, option 3. If you remove this horizontal here, default it will print in vertical. See here. So based on your requirement, you can modify it. And this another one is select box dot select box item 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 1, item 3. Okay. Let's save this and we'll see it in front end. See here, this is it. In this way you can see this select item. So if you click on this drop down, you can see all these select items. So we have, I think we have different parameters as well here. That is, let's see if we have a default or not. There maybe it is in multi select box. Okay, st dot select select let's give this one only. Have different parameters, that is max, selections, will give 2, and then default equals to, I'll give item 2 as a default. If you want you can give, otherwise you no need. Let's save this and we'll see it in front end. See here, default I given item 2, right? So that's why it is showing us item 2. If you click on this select button, item 1 selected, item 2, then you can see here you can only select up to two options. Remove an option first, like that. So if you want to remove that the max selection number, then you can select 3 as well. Okay, so we have covered button, checkbox, radio, select box, and multi-box, right? So now we have slider, text input, number input, and text area. Let's start. Let's implement slider. St dot slider. So here we have multiple parameters. See here, minimum value. First I'll give minimum value as a 0 and maximum value as a 10 and value equals to 1 and step equals to 1. I will tell you what is value on the step in front end. Okay, so if you open this page, you can see pick a number. See, minimum value is 0, maximum value is 10, and value given, right? So default it will show you 1 because I have given 0 value, 1 value there. Here value equals to 1, I have given value equals to 1, and step equals to 1 means, so if you want to drag this, it will move 1 value. So it will not stop it 0.5, 1.5, it will step 1 value. Okay, so we have covered slider as well. Now we have text input. St dot text input. By using this function, you can give limited number of text here. For example, like enter your name. Your name like that. So if you want, you can give placeholder as well. See here, placeholder. Okay. Wrong. Let's save this. We'll see it in front end. See here, enter your name. Okay. We have two more functions, that is text area, number input, and the text input. St dot number input. It is same like slider. I mean same parameters like slider. Pick a number. Equals to 0. Max value equals to 10. Value equals to, now I am giving 0 here. Then step equals to, now I will give you 0.5. Okay, let's save this and we'll see it in front end. Okay, so we got an error. All numerical arguments must be of same type. Dot max value. Okay, we have given different value here, 0.5. That's the reason. So if you want to give decimals here, if you want, then we have to change all values to decimals. So I'll give one only then. Let's save this. See here, you can enter number like 9. What happened? It won't take. So it will change 1 to 10. So here given step equals to 1, right? So it will directly change to 2. Okay, now we have one last function, that is text area. So using this text area, you can give paragraph like text. So you can give bigger text here. Okay. So for that you have to use this text area. Place a holder here, like write your message like that. Let's save this. See here. See what do you want to tell, and this is your in this you have to write your text. Okay, so these are all data display and input widget functions. So if you want to build front-end application by using this Streamlit, so these are the major functions. So please subscribe and like this video. In upcoming videos, I will cover remaining concepts as well, like charting functions, customized layout, and finally we will do one capstone project with all these things, and we'll create one beautiful front-end app, web app using this Streamlit. And in backend, we will integrate with one ML model or a RAG model. We can integrate with these two, any one of those. Okay, so please subscribe it and like it. Thank you.